can you have two different car insurance companies? Most individuals that live in the busy metropolitan areas of Illinois are aware that they drive in high-risk situations on a regular basis, so these drivers are aware of the importance of companies that offer Chicago car insurance. Although the state has certain minimum requirements that they have put in place, there are several things that a wise consumer must realize when dealing with Chicago car insurance policies. The greater incidence of crime and theft in and around the city causes many Chicago car insurance companies to charge higher premiums, and the result is fairly costly premiums. There are multiple discounts that a consumer must ask for in order to obtain the best possible rate on Chicago car insurance. Such discounts include deductions for car alarms and other safety equipment that will help protect the vehicle from theft. Starter-disable systems can often reduce the insurance premiums up to 15%. All of the other standard discounts such as multi-vehicle and safe driver apply as well and should be included in any quote for Chicago car insurance. Illinois requires that all Chicago car insurance policies have at least $15,000 in property damage liability and $20,000 per person in bodily injury liability. The per occurrence limit is $40,000. Although these are the minimum liability requirements, a person should realize that these levels are seldom high enough to pay the necessary costs of an automobile accident. A driver can be held legally and financially responsible for any damages, and the costs are often more than most people can bear. Most Chicago car insurance companies will even provide a lawyer to represent their insured if necessary, so coverage is definitely important to maintain. As with any other busy cities, the majority of claims arise from fender benders, and the deductible should be adjusted accordingly on any Chicago car insurance policy. A driver must be able to comfortably afford a deductible at any time, and as a result the higher $1,000 or more deductibles may not be appropriate for the majority of customers. Some claims will be small enough to pay out of pocket, but the larger ones can prove to be a real inconvenience if the appropriate steps to protect haven't been taken. A wise consumer needs to understand that they may not be able to obtain the best possible Chicago car insurance rate by shopping with their local agents. Brick-and-mortar shops have an incredibly high amount of overhead, especially in the city limits of Chicago due to high rent. The best way to look for the lowest priced appropriate coverage is to use an insurance comparison website to compare quotes from multiple Chicago car insurance companies. A policy can be built online with the desired limits and then can immediately be priced by multiple companies. The entire process is completely painless and is so simple that virtually everyone can do it. It is an absolute necessity, so consumers should ensure that they pick the best possible Chicago car insurance.